Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll be seeing 5 free machine learning courses which can be helpful to both beginners in machine learning as well as people who are at the intermediate level in machine learning. So before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And just a small update about Coursera Plus here. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Google, Stanford University, and many more companies and universities. So if you are looking to buy any course in Coursera platform, you can go for their Coursera Plus monthly plan instead of buying single learning programs, which means if instead of buying single courses, specializations, you can subscribe to their monthly plan, because with this you can save a lot of money. You just have to pay 4,398 per month and you will get access to the entire Coursera platform. You can access over 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, professional certification programs, anything. You can access anything that you want in Coursera with this Coursera Plus monthly plan. I hope you'll find this useful. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just make use of my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera Plus monthly offer. So now let us move on and see the 5 free machine learning courses. First one is Intro to Machine Learning, which is offered by Kaggle. So this is a 3-hour course in which you learn the basics of machine learning, like how models work, basic data exploration, and you'll also build your first machine learning model. So you are also going to implement whatever you learn. You can see here, you have the tutorial, you have the exercise. So once you learn, you have to implement and practice it. So these are the different concepts which will be covered in this particular course, which is offered by Kaggle. And after completing this 3-hour machine learning course, you can also get a free certificate from Kaggle. So Kaggle is basically a subsidiary company of Google. So it's a very good platform to learn about machine learning, make use of it. Next one is Basics of Machine Learning, and this course is offered by Great Learning Platform. So this is a 2.5 hours video content course in which you will learn about the basics of machine learning. You will learn about a lot of concepts, and you will also learn about linear regression. And after completing this particular course, you can also get a certificate like this. So here is the sample certificate for you. So this is the second one in the list, Basics of Machine Learning by Great Learning Platform. Third one is Machine Learning by Stanford University. So this is one of the best course to start learning machine learning. So more than 4 million students have already taken this course. It is available in Coursera platform. So in this course, you have more than 60 hours of content. You can see here it takes approximately 61 hours to complete, which means you have content around it. So these are the skills which you can gain by taking this particular machine learning course from Stanford University. You can learn about logistic regression, artificial neural network, machine learning algorithms, and some basic and advanced concepts of machine learning. And if you just go to the syllabus section, you can see the entire curriculum of this particular course. So first one is about introduction, and then linear regression with one variable, linear algebra review, and linear regression with multiple variables, Octave MATLAB tutorial, logistic regression. And then if you just click on the show more, you can see the content which you'll be learning in each of the weeks in this particular program. So this is basically a 11-week course. So you can learn about a lot of things involved in machine learning. You can go from basic to advanced level. So make use of this particular course. To enroll in this course, just log into your Coursera account and just click on this enroll for free. And one important thing to note here is, for this particular course, you won't get the certificate for free. You have to pay for the certificate, but it is worth it. You will get it from Stanford University and Coursera. The certificate is completely worth it. But if you cannot afford the certificate, you can just go for this option here, full course no certificate, and click on this continue button. You'll be automatically enrolled in the course. So make use of this one. This is the third one in the list. Next course is Machine Learning course by Simplilearn. So this is a platform skill up where Simplilearn platform offers a lot of free courses. We have a separate video about it in our channel. Just watch it. And in this course, you will learn about the basic concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, linear and logistic regression, decision tree, boosting and bagging techniques, time series modeling, kernel SVM. So there are a lot of concepts which will be covered on a basic level in this course. And this is a 7-hour course, and after completing the course, you will also get a certificate of completion. Important thing to note in this particular course is, once you enroll in, you will get only 90 days of access. So if you just create your account and log in and enroll in this course, make sure that you complete the course before 90 days, because you will get the access for only 90 days. So make use of it. And if you just scroll down, you can also see the entire curriculum of this course. So you have nearly 15 lessons. Sorry, you have nearly 12 lessons for this course. And there are some practice projects as well. So you can practice whatever you learn. It's a very good thing. And you can get a certificate similar to this once you complete the course. So this is the fourth one in the list. And the fifth one is free machine learning course by EduCBA platform. So in this course, you will not only learn about the basic concepts involved in machine learning, you will also take a look at the math part involved in machine learning. Like you will learn about statistics involved in machine learning, probability, time series, clustering, classification, and chart types. And this is one of the most popular courses in EduCBA platform. And here are the skills which you can gain by taking this particular course in EduCBA platform. And if you just scroll down here, you can see the details of the course, like the eligibility. Anyone can take this course. There is no prerequisite of anything of that sort. And after completing the course, you can get a certificate. You can see here, verifiable certificate is available for you. So if you just scroll down, you can also see the certificate. This is how your certificate will look like once you complete this free machine learning course from EduCBA platform. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this.